I know.
Okay, someone burp.
Give me a minute. Let me fuel up first. Why did I sound like oh, those are pretty close to weak. No, we need a we need a 10.0 man.
I know.
Just keep it on Jess, she has the best ones.
Okay, guys, we're gonna calm down my
You're laughing and belching at the same time. No, really, on YouTube, female belching contests. They're worth watching.
No, seriously. I think I nearly just made something out of my nose.
Nice.
No, because she was burping and I was trying so hard not to laugh. All of a sudden, I'm like, oh, that was
Weird.
weird.
Very weird. That's pathetic, man. Pathetic.
That's a girly girl burp for you.
Let the tomboys have their go.
Alright, Kat.
Don't rate me. No, really. My friend Eliza was like, blip, blip, blip. She like musical belches. Nice. Pathetic.
Well, I'm a girly girl.
Well, apparently.
Just keep going, just keep going.
But sometimes.
Don't die, Jess. Don't die. Breathe.
Sometimes the gas makes me sick though until I burp. Remember that one day?
Oh, this one time I was like, I ate too much. I was walking. I went blip, whoop, threw up. Right while I was walking. It was funny.
No, remember that one day I got really sick and then all of a sudden I just burped. You're like, hey, are you feeling better?
Oh,
I'm like,
Jess,
yeah.
Jess. Remember when we were at the Chinese restaurant? I didn't feel good, so I put my head on your lap. Then I went blip. Okay, I feel better. Yeah, because I was rubbing your back.
No,
And then you were like, thanks for the whatever.
remember the Chinese cookie? I
What
said
is it?
I had that sugar rush and all of a sudden you're like, Amber, are you okay? I'm like, no, I don't feel good. All of a sudden, and you're like, you feel better now? I'm like, yeah. Wow! Why?
Yeah. Oh yeah.
But later on we can put a family opera on the net. Like after that we can put a different movie and then
Twilight.
Actually, why don't we like
Nice. Our first decent belch, Michelle. We will turn you into a tomboy yet.
you have been brainwashed by the enemy.
We will brainwash you.
Are you kidding me on this?
Yeah.
Nice. Swipe, man, swipe. Nice. I'm out of Pepsi again.
We're gonna run out before the night's over.
It's like,
Yeah, like
Dad,
one
we
big
need
nap.
some more soda. We bought like 50 cans of soda.
We were having a belching contest. We needed the fuel, man. We needed the fuel. I stayed up all night.
It's like, what the fuck? Are you guys girls or what? It's like, no.
No, we're not. No, we're girls on the outside, guys on the inside. We were born girls, but we have the mindsets of boys. Oh, remember that one dude? It's like, I was born a male, but inside I am a woman. Remember, that was so funny.
Remember that one guy had a crush on Alexis, the guy with the mushroom top? I'm like,
Oh, yeah.
I was kind of going,
You have a crush on that one guy, yes. You were
oh yeah!
You were flirting with him yesterday.
I know, I was like, and I don't know what came over me, I'm just like, I don't know.
Who is he?
Who? That guy. Which guy?
Amber.
Oh, I'm sorry.
I
Call hands!
Okay, I think it's time to stop filming and put it on YouTube just so we can see the kind of reaction.